Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be talking a little bit about the LUXOR knockups and the wheel adapters, how they work, how the TRU-LOCK works. Let's begin. Alright, let's just begin. First of all, let's start off with the spinner or the knockoff, whatever you want to call it. Let's remove these bolts right there. Now this knockoff is a little bit different than your typical knockoff from LUXOR. Reason being is that once we take it apart, right here, you're going to see these holes right there. And what are those for? Those are to attach it or to lock it in place to this TRU-LOCK adapter. All right, let me show you the adapter so you can see how this is going to work. Now, if you take one of the adapters, you can see that it has a bunch of little holes that are threaded. All right, and it does also come with these longer screws, longer bolts that are going to be attached to that spinner or to that knockoff. Let me show you how it works. So if you can see that the knockoffs, it has left hand side, you can't go wrong. Now the white ones are for the left hand side. So what we're gonna do, or what I'm gonna show you, is how this works. Once you thread it all the way in, all right, I'm not going to tighten it that much, but as you can see, it's threaded in. Now, you're going to take this longer bolts, and I believe it's three per wheel to lock it in place. And you're going to, once you tighten it, you're going to find that they're going to correspond with the threads on this wheel adapter. All right, so we're gonna put it as is and take your little Allen wrench, tighten them, there it is. Tighten the other one. And I am going to show you how I'm going to do it once I start installing the wheels, and so that you can see it. But you get the point. We're going to tighten them as long as they're flush, because we still need to mount the other portion that goes on top. There it is. Now this thing ain't going nowhere. Now we can reinstall this right there. Put your bolts on, tighten them, and we're good to go. This is not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna be locked. Thus the name TRU-LOCK. It's gonna be locked. This ain't going nowhere. You're not gonna be worrying that that wheel's gonna come off. But this is a real neat design that they came up with. I know that back in the days you didn't have this, and you were always worried that they might loosen up. But really nice design by LUXOR, so that your wheel is secured. And this was a real quick video as to how the wheel adapters and the knockoffs work together to secure your wheel. All right, this is going to be it for this video. Real quick as to how these work. I want to thank LUXOR for sponsoring this video. Again, thank you very much, and like always, I'll see you next week. I'll see you next weekend, and stay safe and God bless.